Hi guys, it's another bike check video, and today we're going to check out my Merida Mission 3000 full suspension mountain bike. We're going to put this bike on the market, and I've only had this for a few weeks, tested it out a couple of times. Very fun bike. I enjoyed it for the few couple of rides that I used it for. Okay naman, and it's in very good condition. The frame is in very good shape. There's no dents, no cracks. And we upgraded some parts. We upgraded the rear derailleur and the chain, and also the shifter. So we did a few upgrades here and there just to get it in better shape. But the bike itself is very nice. Check this video out and hope you guys like it.